Well, Step by Step is a low-ticket, step-based online business system designed to help beginners get started quickly by following a simple checklist-style process. On the surface, it looks like a clean onboarding path, a beginner-friendly setup, a just-follow-the-steps systems, a straightforward way to start earning. But once you look deeper, the model leans heavily on upsells, recruiting, system-dependent duplication, paid traffic recommendations, and limited long-term skill development. This is where beginners often get stuck. Because while the steps are simple, the success path requires skills the system doesn't actually teach. Things like traffic strategy, content creation, messaging, email marketing, long-term business building. So the system feels simple, but the results don't. Well, Step by Step was created by Leonard Grant, the same creator behind several short-lived, low-ticket recruiting systems. His systems often rely on upsells, system-dependent duplication, and aggressive recruiting, which is why beginners tend to struggle inside his models. He has launched multiple systems over the years, including complete cash flow system, other step-by-step, step-based recruiting funnels, low-ticket plug-and-play programs. The challenge isn't the creator's visibility, it's the model he consistently uses. Simple steps, heavy upsells, recruiting dependent income, limited real training, system first, member second design. Beginners deserve more than that, right? So what beginners must know before joining? Step-based training. The steps are simple, but they don't build long-term skills. Funnel system setup. You're guided through set up your funnel, connecting your autoresponder, plug it into the system. It's straightforward, but again, system dependent. Traffic recommendation. The traffic strategies lean heavily on paid traffic, solo ads, and system recommended vendors. This creates a dependency loop where beginners spend money before they even understand what they're doing. What? Upsells. The system includes multiple upsells that unlock additional training, additional tools, and additional earning potential. This is common in the industry, but beginners often feel pressured to upgrade before they're ready. Well, step-by-step review what beginners must know before joining pricing and upsells. The pricing structure includes a low-ticket entry point, a mid-ticket upsells, higher-ticket upgrades for full earning potential. Beginners often feel like they're missing something unless they upgrade, which creates financial pressure early in the journey. The pros and cons. Pros: simple steps, beginner-friendly layout, clear onboarding, low barrier entry, easy to follow. The cons: heavy upsell structure, recruiting dependent, limited long-term skill development, traffic strategies that cost money, system-dependent duplication, and beginners may struggle without outside support. So what you must know before joining. The system is for people who want a simple step-based entry point, don't mind upsells, are comfortable with recruiting, prefer system-dependent duplication, and want a low-ticket starting point. Okay, who is it not for? Beginners who need real support, rebuilders who need stability, people who want long-term skills, anyone who wants predictable growth, anyone who wants real duplication, and anyone who wants traffic strategies that don't drain their wallet. If you've been burned before, this model may feel familiar, and not in a good way. So the final verdict: is Wealth Step by Step a scam? No. But is it built for long-term success? Not really. It's a simple system with a clear path, but the path leads to upsells, recruiting, system dependency, paid traffic reliance, limited skill development. Beginners need more than steps. They need support, they need mentorship, they need real training, they need a community that shows up, they need a system that builds them, not just the system. And that's where Wealth Step by Step falls short. What's my number one recommendation? If you want something that actually helps beginners win, you need real products, real training, real duplication, real support, real community, real mentorship. That's why I recommend the Home Business Academy. With HBA, you get a world-class funnel builder, premium training, daily live coaching, daily live webinars, okay, weekly masterminds, real duplication systems, 80% commissions, recurring income, no passives, and no admin first payments. And when you join me, you get my duplication ready systems, my beginner friendly training, my step-by-step setup, my bonuses, my support, my guidance, my experience rebuilding from zero, and my commitment to helping you win. Why my bonuses create real duplications. Most systems give you steps. Most programs give you tools. Most opportunities give you hype. Most beginners don't fail because they're missing steps. They fail because they're missing support, clarity, and done-for-you assets that remove the overwhelm. This is where my bonuses change everything. Below are just some of the bonuses of the duplication engine. The part that makes my team different from every other team in the industry. Okay, most beginners freeze. Bonus number one is your custom branded funnel built for you. Most beginners freeze at the exact same moment when it's time to build a funnel. They don't know what to say, how to structure it, how to brand themselves, how to connect everything, how to make it look professional, how to build something that actually converts. This is the number one bottleneck that kills duplication. So instead of teaching you how to build a funnel, we build your funnel for you and for your members too. This instantly removes tech overwhelm, confusion, frustration, fear of messing up, fear of looking unprofessional, fear of being not good enough. And it gives you a clean professional brand, a funnel that represents you, a system that you own, a foundation you can grow with, and a set that duplicates for your team too, right? This is the first pillar of real duplication. Bonus 2, your 150 email autoresponder sequence, done for you follow-up. Even if someone has a funnel, they still fail at the next step. Follow-up. Beginners don't know how to write emails, nurture leads, build trust, stay consistent, convert subscribers, tell their story, and create value over time. So instead of giving you email templates or swipes, you get a full 150 emails autoresponder sequence, written, structured, and ready to plug in. This solves inconsistency, writer's block, fear messaging, lack of trust building, lack of follow-up, lack of conversions, as it gives you daily value going out automatically, trust being built on autopilot, conversions happening even when you're busy, because life is gonna life, right? A professional voice from day one, a system that works even when you're brand new, and this is the second pillar of real duplication. Bonus number 3, your members get these bonuses too, the duplication engine. This is the part that changes everything. Most teams fail because members get stuck. Members get overwhelmed. Members don't know what to say. They don't know how to set things up. Members quit before they ever get momentum. But when your members get a custom branded funnel, a 150 email sequence, clarity, support, direction, a done for you setup, something powerful happens. Your team duplicates even if they're brand new. This is the difference between a team that grows and a team that collapses. A team that stays and a team that quits. A team that produces and a team that stalls. This is the third pillar of real duplication. Now, bonus 4, daily support, real mentorship. We give you Monday through Friday live trainings and help you build your primary business. Tools don't duplicate, steps don't duplicate, videos don't duplicate, people duplicate. And beginners need reassurance, clarity, direction, accountability, someone who's been through it, someone who shows up, someone who actually cares. This is where your story matters. You were built from zero. You know what it feels like to be burned. You know what it feels like to be overwhelmed. You know what it feels like to be confused. You know what it feels like to be alone in a system that promised support but delivered chaos. So your message is simple. I don't just give you tools. I walk with you until you know how to use them. This is the fourth pillar of real duplication. This is why having a real mentor matters. This is why beginners fail with support. And this is why my team duplicates when others don't. Everything I give you is designed so you and your members and even their members can duplicate it, even if you're brand new. Do you need a real sponsor who cares about you and your success? Do you need someone who will help you take your business to the next level? Then you should join me and my team now. What I list is just a smidgen of the training bonuses you and your team will get when you join the best team in the Home Business Academy. Not only will this help your primary business, but it will unlock the #1 paying residual company in the make money online industry in the last decade. So what are you waiting for exactly? Lock arms with me and join me and my team today. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon. But before I will close, I want to show you a couple of things that's really scary. January job losses were the highest to start a year. This is People, by the way, people.com, since the Great Recession 17 years ago. Analysis show. So, U.S.-based employers announced 108,435 cut jobs in January 2026, up 118% from a year ago. That's the highest number of job cuts for the month of January since 2009. And they hired just 5,306 and fired 108,000. So over 103,000 difference, okay? Really scary. And if you don't think cheaper labor and AI are coming to take your job, you're fooling yourself, okay? And this is what one of our bonuses look like, and this is what the other bonus looks like. This is just one of our bonuses, okay? The first step is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader, this guy right here, okay? You schedule a time and a date, and he meets you and helps you get your system set up right? This is the team live coaching schedule, okay, and the team meetings Monday through Friday, then Saturday's off, but he does something for you on Saturday, which is help you make more money, okay? And Sunday he helps you as well, okay? He will show you how to syndicate that video online on different social media and he does it live. So he works pretty much 7 days a week trying to get you help you with your business, okay? But it's up to you. You have to get started and you have to take advantage of this live coaching schedule, okay? You just get the time zone conversion and enter the training mode. And all these are the exact steps you need to do to set up to get yourself making money, okay? With whatever program you want. This is the special sauce, the secret sauce, okay? Yes, you get an HBA. Yes, that helps you build any program, okay? But this is what you need to do every single day. It's simple steps I do every single day to dominate YouTube and even rank on Google, okay? And and every single post, that long form post I do like this, long form video, it ranks, okay? It ranks on the first page and they rank over and over and over again. You don't have to keep creating the same content over and over again. You don't have to keep doing that, because once you get to a certain point, it's like a snowball going downhill, okay? Nobody's scared of snowball, but if it goes downhill, by the time it reaches, it's an avalanche of content, okay? And so I can look up one thing on YouTube and get like up to 30 videos for that one term. 30 different videos, okay? And this is another income stream that we give you, okay? Let's say if somebody buys duplication formula, okay? Even if you're at the $7 level, somebody buys duplication formula through your link, you get half of this, $1,500, okay? And even at the $7 level, this is just a free bonus you get no matter what level you join with me, whether it's the $10 level, the $25, or the $125. This is why we are the best team. We have the best training. We have the best bonuses, period, in Home Business Academy. And you want to brand yourself, okay? This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay. Get with Jay today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.